Hey guys, it's Super93 Blanca HD here, and today is it's November the 22nd, 2013, and this is what everybody's been waiting for. Of the Xbox One have finally came out today, and I managed to get this on the 1 day additional version, which of course I pre-ordered it about 2 months ago. So yeah, this is how it looks like on this 1 day edition. Here's the front picture view. Here's the picture of the Xbox One with the Kinect and the Xbox controller. And on the other side is the same thing, a picture of it. Again, it's a day 1 of the 2013 of the unboxing. Nothing here in the back than to say Xbox One. Okay, and here's the side that'll tell you what's included inside of the Xbox One. Here it says about 1 day additional include with the Xbox One console, connector, senior, Xbox One controller, headset, the HDMI cable, wireless, and 1 year limit of warranty in case something happens to your Xbox One, of course. And best of all, it contains a 500 gigabyte hard drive for it. So that's really awesome. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Alright, turn that thing around. So inside we see the sensor of the Xbox One controller. Alright, I'm going to take this out first. Okay, so this is where you need to hook up to your Xbox One, but we'll put that in the side for a moment. Okay. Alright. Inside we also contain some instruction manual to set up your Xbox One. Okay. And here is this is just something like to show you how you do your achievement and stuff on the instructions. So it's just an additional instruction that come with the green one. Yeah. So here's your equipment, a barcode that contains with all your Xbox Live Gold memberships. Okay, and here's also contain a sticker on it to place it with, well, anywhere on your Xbox One, I guess. Alright, another instruction manual. Alright, and here we have the headset to communicate with your buddies online. So that's cool. Okay. And here, okay, here's the Xbox One controller. Let me just take that out for a moment. Alright. Yeah, sorry for that. Alright. Here it is, the new edition of the Xbox One controller, which also contains inside that says Day 1 of 2013. So this is really awesome here. Just gonna give you guys a good view how the angle is. Alright, I'll put there in a second. Also inside is the AA batteries for your controller. Same thing as the 360 version. Alright, so here's the cable to connect your HD TV to your Xbox One. And here's the battery, the AC to plug to your Xbox to turn your power on. And yeah, and again, this is another part that connected to your to this battery power. Connected to the Xbox One as well. Yeah. Alright. Now, all that's left now is the Xbox One itself. Okay. Here we go. Just gonna get rid of the black cover here. And this is it, people. The Xbox One itself. Wow, it's really shiny. Alright, in the back we had where you need to plug in like your your battery of the AV cable along to contain of, let me flip it around, hang on, with 2 component of the HDMI to put your TV in and out. You also have like a 2 UPS USB cable to plug in, just any additional flash drive you want to plug into your memory on it, of course. This is the internet cable you can plug into you. If you rather use it on the internet cable with a router instead of the Wi-Fi, it's your choice. And oh, I'm sorry, that's something else. That's connected to your sensor of your the Connect for your Xbox. This is the internet cable to plug it into your router, if whether or not you want to use it on the router instead of the wireless. Yeah, so that's pretty much that's it. What I'm seeing so far. So yeah, this is really exciting. This is entirely the unboxing of the Xbox One console. And and let me show you guys how it looks like on the Call of Duty Ghosts. I too purchased it a couple days before Xbox One come out. So as you can see, the slight differences is that Call of Duty Ghosts contain only 1 CD instead of the 2 from the 360 version, which that's pretty cool to me, because I don't know why we have 2 CD over there on the 360 version. Yeah. So again, it contains with a Call of Duty seasonal pass to show you if you want to sign up for it, and I'll show you how it looks like in here. Yeah, and also contained with a free of the DLC of the free-for-all map pack, and also contain a 7-day trial of your Xbox Live account. Yeah, so that's it.